Hi, I'm Randall, and I thought I would share with you a little bit about what our family does to recycle. And some of the things that I'll talk about today are not necessarily what everyone does, but what we feel is important. And right behind me is a recycling bin. And this is what we use to put our cans, bottles, newspapers, and the city has a program where you can actually pay to use one of these. You put it out along the street curb once every 2 weeks so that they can recycle things, because often, in many cases, people just throw it in with the regular trash. So this is a little bit about recycling, and let's take a look. As you can see inside, we just have papers and newspapers currently, but we'll put in cans, tin cans, aluminum cans, anything like that. So let me take you around our house and show you some other things that we do to recycle. Now I'm in my kitchen, and one of the things that you can do to recycle is to actually compost or save some of the things that you would normally throw out, or some people might throw out. So as we cook and we have dinner, things that are these biodegradable things, we just put in this little bucket right here, and then we take it outside, and so that's where we're going. So instead of just throwing this away or putting it down the garbage disposal, there are things that you can do to use it again and again. The next thing I want to show you is, you can see part of the garden behind me, and we have other parts of the garden, but I want to show you what we do next with some of the biodegradable things, orange peels, eggshells, and things like this. And this is one of our composters. And a composter is actually used to help the biodegradable process so that things break down over time. So in this, we just open it up, and you can see some of the biodegradable matter we put in. Like I said, you can see some eggshells right over there. Here's hair, human hair that can degrade. We have other things in here. And so we just mix this, put some new things in, mix it, and over a couple of months, everything breaks down. And then we can take it over to different parts of our garden. Again, this is winter season. And then during the spring, then we'll lay it out here along with some of this dirt. And it just really helps strengthen, nourish. It provides nutrients for the soil so that things grow better. Let me come back and talk about this one again. This is probably one of the easiest types of home composters. And the ability to mix it around and so forth makes it much easier. Let me take you back to our garden. Out here we have some of our fruit trees, and again, it's winter time right now, but I'll take you over here to, if you don't mind a lot of the dirt. Again, here's some of our garden here. You can see there's a lot of leaves that are mixed into it. And so let me share with you. This is one of our other composters, and this is one of the perhaps cheaper styles of composters. But what happens is that you put stuff in the top. You can't mix it or stir it around, so it's not as effective. And then as things break down, then you up the bottom here, and things have decomposed over time. You can also see here's our garden, and we just put old leaves, old plants in those, and then those break down throughout the winter. Over here you can see some of our trees. This is our cherry tree. This is our peach tree. We have 2 apple trees over there. And then right over here we have a pear tree, we have a nectarine tree, we have a plum and apricot tree. So we really feel that the importance of protecting the environment, and you can protect the environment by reusing things instead of just throwing them away, because if you throw them away, they just land in a landfill and are never used. So there are steps, recycling newspapers and other biodegradable things from your kitchen that you can put back into the soil and nourish it.